Hi, it's me, Beatrice, your faceless teacher. Many of you already read the Aviation Herald in order to improve your vocabulary, but you just read it, and sometimes you have doubts about pronunciation, or you would like to hear what you're reading. So I'm going to show you how to do just that so that you can read and listen at the same time. It's quite easy, all free, no problem. So you enter in the Aviation Herald. The address is aviherald.com. You pick, okay, so you just like that. And you pick an article you would like to listen. For instance, let's listen to the accident that happened yesterday in Turkey with Pegasus on the Boeing 737. So I click on my link. Okay, here I get the text. All I have to do is select the text. Okay, right there. I select everything I want to listen to, and then I copy it. Okay, Control C, or depending on the equipment you have. Then I go to another site, which is text-to-speech, and it's very, very easy. All I have to do is Control V, and here we are. I have my text, all right? Then I decide whether I want to listen to it in US English or British English, since we're talking about English. Let's do it in US English. Do I want a lady or a gentleman to read it for me? Let's get George. And then what speed? Do I want it slow? Do I want it medium? Do I want it fast? Very fast? If you want a level 6, try the very fast. But let's try the medium. Then create the audio file. And wait. They tell you to wait 1 minute. Sometimes it's much faster than that. Then you get your audio file. All you have to do is click on play. Like this.
Pegasus Boeing 737-800. Registration TCCPF performing flight PC 8622 from Ankara to Trabzon, Turkey, with 162 passengers and 6 crew, landed on Trabzon's runway 11 at 23.26 liters, 20:26Z, but veered left off the runway, went down a slope and came to a stop on soft ground just short of the sea about 60 meters before the runway and about 60 meters to the left of the left runway edge. The aircraft was evacuated.
So you see, of course it's not going to read the Lima, Zulu and Papa Tango, but for the regular text you have a good listening. And if you're satisfied, you can also download the file.
Pegasus Boeing 700.
Sorry, wrong manipulation. You can decide to save the link, and this way you can listen to it on your phone, on your tablet, on your computer, whenever you want, wherever you want. I hope this was useful, and I wish you good luck.